This is question number 5 from the equation of a line practice. So our question says, determine the equation of a line that passes through 16 and 1 and is perpendicular to y equals 1/2 x minus 5. So I do first note that we are trying to find the equation. Anytime we're trying to find the equation of a line, unless it's horizontal or vertical, we need the slope and we need the y-intercept. And once we have the slope and the y-intercept, then we can go ahead and find our equation. So when I read through the question, it says it passes through 16 and 1. That is not the slope or the y-intercept, but it might help me calculate one of them. And it also says that it's perpendicular to y equals 1/2 x minus 5. Now, perpendicular is code. It is code for slope. So when they say it's perpendicular, they are trying to secretly tell us what the slope is. So the slope of this line is the number in front of x. It is 1/2. So the slope of this line is 1/2. So if it's perpendicular, perpendicular lines don't have the same slope. They have slopes that are negative reciprocals, which means you change the sign and flip it over. So I'm just going to make a note here that it is the negative reciprocal slope. Didn't write the whole thing out because those words are way too long. So if my slope is currently 1/2, I would flip that over to get 2/1 and change the sign to make it negative. So it's going to be negative 2/1. And 2 divided by 1 is just 2. So the slope here is really just -2. Okay, the y-intercept, they didn't tell us. And if they don't tell us the y-intercept, we can't take it out of this line. The only thing we're allowed to take from this line is the slope, because perpendiculars means slope. So to get the y-intercept, we are going to calculate it. We're going to use y equals mx plus b. So I know for m, I can put in my slope of -2, and then this is where the point comes in. I am going to use this point for x and y. So for my y value, I'm going to put in the number 1. For my slope, -2. For x, 16, and then plus b. So b is the y-intercept we're going to try to solve. So I am going to multiply -2 and 16, which is -32. And then I want to get b by itself, so I am going to add 32 to both sides. If you're not comfortable doing that, you can flip the equation over first and then add 32. Whatever works better for you. So 1 plus 32 is 33, and that's my y-intercept. So now that I know the slope and the y-intercept, I can write my equation. So we do y equals mx plus b. So y equals m is -2, x, and then plus b, so plus 33. So our final equation is y equals -2x plus 33. If you need help with question number 6, you can join me in the next video.